Hi everyone, this is Jamela over at Viva La Vintage for your home. Thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrifty Famous. But before we begin, how about you go ahead and click that subscribe button so you can get all my videos directly to your mailbox. If you're looking for inspiration to decorate your home on a budget, you've come to the right channel. Here you'll be inspired to thrift shop for your decor pieces, how to incorporate plants into your decor, and also some DIY. So come on and be inspired. Today's video, we're going to talk about plant life and decor. I know sometimes people can be intimidated by plants, but all it needs is just a little bit of water and some light and some love. And once you connect with your babies, they'll love you back. Remember, plants are living creatures and they do require air and water just like us. Once you give them their love and your attention, they will start thriving and become that element of life form in your home. It only takes a few minutes to actually care for your plants, and when you see they're not doing well, all you have to do is kind of move them around, check the dirt, or just see if any leaves have any problems or issues, and then you can treat them. And if you're in a hurry, just make sure you grab your water pitcher and you can give them some water whenever it need be. That saves a little bit of time. Now I know some plants are tricky, but with patience, love, and care, you too will become a joyful plant parent. So don't give it up. Trust me, because this plant here was going to die on me, but I've been patient and it's starting to thrive again. And when you're styling your plants in your home, just make sure you have visual balance. But with roses, there are a few thorns because I have lost quite a few plants over my learning experience. Case in point, all three of these plants are gone. They've gone to plant in heaven. And that big fern behind the sofa, forget about it. Couldn't last. But anyway, I couldn't enjoy pineapple from this pineapple plant because that one left me too. I take full advantage of all the natural light that I can get in all my windows, so you'll find plants everywhere there's a window in the house. And if they're not getting enough light, they will definitely let you know. I had that fern over there by the sink, and it wasn't getting enough light, so I had to move it, and I put the snake plant there. Now the plant is thriving much better once it got the natural direct light. And in my bedroom, the plant on the left, that one's still living, but the one on the right, bye-bye. It caught a nasty little infection, so I couldn't wait to get that bugger out of there. So I replaced it with this plant, Tuberkin, I think is what it's called. And I keep a little cruette by my bedside as a watering picture for it. So whenever it needs a little water, I just give it a little dab because that doesn't take a lot of water. And right outside my bedroom door, I used to have this rubber plant. However, that one has gone to plant heaven as well. But these babies are doing well. Plants are very, very moody sometimes because they will let you know when they're okay, and then they'll let you know when they're sick. The hardest part is trying to figure out what's wrong with them. But sometimes, if you're like me, I just give up and just get rid of them. I'm not going to go out and try to treat all of them and see what's wrong and this and that, but I'll just go and get another one. And just recently, I grabbed some of the yucca plant that's in my yard to try to grow that inside. Also, when styling your plants, try groupings. That always seems to look very appeasing to the eye. But when you have big plants, try to keep them separate so they can each stand out on their own. Even when you're playing around with pots and trying to mix plants, that's always an exciting thing to do because you just want to pick pots that kind of feel natural for the plant and that you like. In addition to picking out your plants, also pick out planters that will kind of match the style of the plant and that's appeasing to your eye and for your home decor. And if you don't see something you like and you see a glass piece, try painting it and giving it the style that you want to have for your plant. So adding new ones and moving and mixing, that's what you're going to find yourself doing a lot, is rotating your plants around or adding a new planter. So that's the excitement part, and you're changing your decor on a low budget. Don't be discouraged. Be encouraged to put plants in your home and style them in your space. I hope you like this video. If so, go ahead and click that like button, drop me a comment, and please share. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. See you on my next video. Bye.